Hello everybody, this is my second video. Thank you so much for watching me. And today we're gonna discuss about shoreline extraction practically and from Arcmap. But before shoreline extraction, we have to consider two things. For example, data tide analysis. And after done with tide analysis, we're gonna download or we're gonna collect data from different sources. As I have collected data from USGS, so we're gonna skip those parts. So today video will be start from Arcmap. So data, the images will be input in the Arcmap, and then we're gonna discuss about, or maybe we're gonna see exactly how to extract the shoreline position from many coastal areas. So it is really important when we're gonna put some coastal policy or coastal sustainable management, which part of coastal areas really vulnerable to sea, ocean, or many rivers. So because and we need to know the pattern of shoreline degradation and pattern of shoreline accretion. So before knowing it, so we have to extract the shoreline first. So that's why we're gonna make this video today. So thank you so much, and let's get started. Okay, look at this here. I have uploaded band 3 and band 4, band 5, and Lancet 9, Lancet 8 or Lancet 9. Uh, for Lancet 8 or for Lancet 9, you have to upload band 3 or band 5 because we're gonna calculate NDWI, normalized difference water index, because it discriminates water and non-water part. So now go search box. Look, you don't need to upload any other bands without band 3, band 5, as we're going to calculate NDWI. So even we can do it with MNDWI. For that, you have to upload band 3 and band 6. But now we are not going to do it. We're going to do it with NDWI. Yes. So here, first of all, select float. So float, and then you have to subtract band 4, band 5 from band 2, band 3, and then divide float. It will be added plus, yes. Okay, the output location. Okay, we're gonna run, click OK. Fine. This is the new layer of NDWI. Even we can rename it NDWI 2020. Mhm. So what exactly, now we're gonna select the area of interest. Okay, before area of interest, now we're gonna do something else. That is, click on Go Properties, Symbology, Classified. Okay, the land part is green and the water part is blue. Now reclassification. Zero and then one. I mean the threshold to zero and one. Zero represent the land part and one represent the water features. Click OK. Hmm. So we got it, the reclassification, right? So now we have to convert this raster data into vector format because it will clarify and it will make more clearance to extract the shoreline position. And that's why we're gonna make this vector formation from raster data. And then you know what, it's also called raster to polygon. Raster to polygon. Where is it? No. Yes, yeah. The reclass, this layer will be selected. Now we see this is the vector format, right? Now actually, okay, here, look at this. We're gonna select the zoom in. It will be 10,000. Okay, before extracting, we have to select the area of interest because it will be help us to extract the shoreline position. So before that, I have to upload before area of interest because I want to make the shape same as I did before, right? So video will be a little bit longer, but don't worry, you can drag it wherever you don't need to watch this part of video. AUI and then, yes, whatever. So this is the area of interest. It covers basically So now go again our toolbox. And then analysis tools. Here, look at the clip function. Click here. Input layer. Input layer will be this one because this is the vector formation. The final vector formation, this one. And clip features will be AOI, area of interest. Okay. Now click OK. Okay. So there are a lot of things we can remove. Okay, just only the cliff version, or the cliff version of, the area of interest from vector formation. Okay, now select the zoom selection. 1, then 10,000. All right. Okay. Now be careful. Now we're gonna go catalog. Here we have to select another full folder. Look at this new and create folder creation. The name is folder creation extracted shoreline. Extracted shoreline 2020. The location name. Done. And then right click, go again new, and then shape. Right. The name will be Shoreline extraction. So here, feature type, it will be point or polygon or polyline. So it must be polyline because shoreline is a combination of a lot of lines. That means the polyline. Select polyline, and now we're going to select projected coordinate system. Look at this UTM and North Hemisphere. Click OK. Now you see here's another layer of shoreline extraction 2020, but this is the layer of shoreline extraction. We're gonna enable the editing part, and then we're gonna start the shoreline extraction. For example, go to the editor and start editing. Right here, we're gonna select which one. This one, extracted shoreline to the 2020. Yeah. Great feature. Select shoreline instruction 2020 and the line. So now you see we're gonna extract the shoreline position. Here, the how much point you will take, the more accuracy of shoreline instruction become. But be careful. Whenever you see the square shape, don't miss it. Click on here because the square position represent there's something desolated from the previous trend. That means it doesn't follow the previous trend. It means here the started curve or maybe discontinuity, right? So if you miss this square, that means your accuracy of shoreline extraction will be less. So never miss the square position like this. Yeah. So you have to up, right? So click on pan, and then go up. Again, create feature. Click on create feature. Maybe who are the newcomer, they can struggle to set up create feature or something like that. But if you face any kind of problem, just let me know in the comment box. I will try to make a video according to your comments. So this is the very similar part of the video. So you can skip it or you can drag it. You can drag your video because I'm gonna do it full. But yeah, but you can the zoom selection, you can make it more zoom in. For example, it is 10,000. You can select 5,000, so it will be more accuracy and it will be more accuracy to extract the shoreline position back because it will be more zoom in. And whenever something more zoom in, you can see better than before. But usually one one and 10,000 is okay, but you can zoom in more as you wish. Okay, look at this. I missed it, this square, and I realized it's something. Um, I mean, if I miss this square, then the accuracy will be very, very less correct. So how can I do it back? Look at this undo edge vertex, click on it. Yeah, yes. So be careful. The more you will be consistent on this step, the your shoreline will be more accuracy. And whenever something or all steps will be right accuracy or high accuracy, then your result will be good. Or maybe you can discuss about effectively, and you can find more similarities with your previous findings or something like that, right? And sometimes you can check your previous trend. Maybe you can miss some square position or something like that. So check it. If you feel doubt, then check it. And you see the square position missed, then go click on undo and go that position. Yeah, select again. Click again, right? and always follow the main body of shoreline. So don't need to follow some rectangular and triangular crate along the shoreline. So don't need to go there. Just follow the main trend, main line. But a little bit easy when you find the straight shoreline and same trend everywhere. At the moment, it's easy to extract and easy to find accuracy. But when you shoreline is discontinuity and more complex geometrical position. So at the moment, it's really hard to you have to put your effort, time to extract for complex geometric position. We're almost there. Here's the last click. Look at this, the last click, what exactly we do. Here, the last click on, and the right click. Here, the finish, but no click on finish part. Finish part, something you have to continue the next time, but you are not gonna stop it forever. So this is the final click. So that's why we're gonna click on the finish sketch. Click on finish sketch. That means we are not gonna click again for extracting the shoreline. This is the final click. That's why you have to click on finished sketch. Avoid finish part. When you're gonna click finish part, that means sometimes you see the shoreline is gap. There's no land available, or there's no available to shoreline. At that moment, you can click on finish part and you can start the next part of the shoreline. So that way you can, for that moment, you can click on finish part. But this is the final point to extract the shoreline position. Even we are not gonna extract any position or any part of the shoreline. So that's why click on finish sketch. Okay, got it, right? Full extent. And then look at the save edits. But before save edits, I'm gonna, and then if you wish, then save edits and then stop editing. Finally, your shoreline will be appeared. So now look at this. The shoreline will be extracted. So we should end the video here. So yeah, the next part will be discussed maybe in any future video. For example, putting the all shorelines together, and then how much area become gain and how much area become loss. So even how much the shoreline movement rates, seaward and landward. So there are a lot of things we need to calculate after the shoreline extraction. So thank you so much. Now we're gonna end here. So if you face any difficulties, let me know. I'll try my level best. Yeah.